Everybody in the UK, we're here in Perth, we're in the Bell Tower. We've just been along the Swan River and had a lovely trip to Fremantle. We're having a fantastic time here. All the Australians have been very, very nice to us Poms, and Molly and Jack have looked after us really, really well. We really are enjoying our holiday and wish it could last for a lot longer, but we must come home and see all the empty shelves and people running around with toilet rolls and things like that. But hey ho, best of luck to everybody. See you all soon. Bye.
See you when we get home.